Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video we will see how to work with the reshape function. It's going to be one of the function of numpy. Okay, so in previously we have seen a range function where we have created a range from 1 to 15, and then we have seen a length space function. Okay, so in this video we'll see we're going to work with reshape. Okay, and we are also going to see revel and flatten function. Okay, so let's get started with the numpy function of reshape. So let's say I want to create this kind of heading for my heading purpose, for my coding purpose. Let's say how to do that. First you have to go here, go to code and make a markdown, and after that take a hash, just write a hash like this, and what you want to write, let's say reshape, SHAPE, and then let's say you're giving a bracket. If you're not giving the bracket, no issue, you can give a colon, and after that just enter. It will be coming automatically. So it's not coming. Just second, what happened, what is the problem? I need to see. So I'm keeping it as a markdown and I'm giving a hash, and after that I'm creating a reshape, as I want to work with reshape, and then I'll give a colon, then I'm going to print out. You can see the heading we can create like this. As we are working with the reshape, so it's going to be the heading of reshape. So with the help of reshape, what we can do, we can create a single line of array to a 2-dimension or the 3-dimension as per our requirement. Okay, let's say how to reshape the matrix or the arrays. Okay, so let's say I'm giving a name, my array is variable name is ARR, and I'm giving np dot range. Ranges will be varying from, let's say, 1 to 6. Okay, and and after that, let's say I want to print I want to print this one, so I'll just write ARR1. Let's see what is this. So my array has been printed. So let's say I want to create a reshape of this one, so I'll give array 2-dimension, let's say 2D 2-dimension array, and equals to, I'll just give ARR1 dot reshape, reshape of, let's say, 2 rows and 3 column. Okay, so with this what we can do, and I want to print this one ARR2D. so this is not working, as it's saying the array 2D is equals to array dot reshape cannot reshape array of size 5, because it's a 5 size, right? Yes, so I'll just increase it to 7. Okay, now it might work. 6. Now this is going to work. You can see, so 2-dimension arrays we have created by using a reshape. Let's say I want to modify more to this, so let's say I'm giving 2D, say 2D I'm writing, and after that I want to change the array to ARR dot reshape, or I can directly write 3 column and 2 rows. You can do that. Now then print ARR2D. You can see 3 columns and 2 rows now. Okay, so first is denoted as column and second one is a row. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns, and here 3 rows and 2 columns. First is rows, second one is a column. Ready? I hope you're understanding this. Let's say I want to write the whole code together. So how to do that? Let's say array, I'm writing like this, and np dot range, and after that I want to create a number from 1 to 16, 1 to, let's say, 1 to 7, and after that I dot reshape as I want to do a reshape as a 3, 2. Okay, and after that I want to print ARR. I can do that. Like this also I can able to create my reshape function using a range function. Okay, it's up to you what kind of function you want to create. So let's say another method we'll see what is that. It's a revel, the revel function. So again I have to want to give a heading for this. So let's say I'll give a markdown here, and after coming to the markdown I'll write revel, and after that, before that, what you have to do, you have to write a hash, then only it will be taken as your heading. Let's say colon should be in the front, and then enter. So revel function. So in the revel function, basically it converts a multi-dimensional array to one-dimensional array. Okay, so it converts multi-dimensional array to a one-dimensional array. Let's say I want to create a two-dimensional array first. So arr 2 dimension I'm just writing. So how to do that? np dot arr ay. So insert that hash of hash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comma 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a two-dimensional array, and I want to convert this one as a revel function. Okay. So after that arr 2d, two-dimensional array is there. Now I want to convert this one as a a single line of array. Okay, that means one dimension. So it's a multi-dimensional array what we have shown here, right? And this array I want to create as one dimensional array only. That means I want the code to be printed in one line. The elements of this two-dimensional elements will be coming in a one dimensional element itself. So for that, what you have to do, just write array name arr 2d dot revel, and then close the bracket. So let's say what will happen now. It's saying numpy dot nd arrays has no attribute called revel. RAVEL. It's RAVEL. It's not RA. RAVEL, revel. So what I have written here is wrong. It's going to be, it has to be RAVEL. Fine. It's going to be RAVEL. Sorry for the mistake, guys. So and then this one revel, and this revel. Now you can see this multi-dimensional array has been converted into a single dimension array. Either it's going to be a 3-dimension or 4-dimension arrays, or you can convert that into single dimension array easily. Okay. Flatten is another substitute of this revel. Let's say if I talk about the flatten function of numpy. So I want to give a heading of flatten first, so I'll convert to markdown first because I want to give a heading. Then I'll write a flatten. So first hash you have to declare, then flat, FLATTEN, flatten. So flatten, and then close this one. Flatten function works similarly as your next function. Just a second. Now we can print. Okay, so flatten function just work oppositely of this it work equally equals to the revel function. It also convert the multi-dimensional array to a single dimension array. Okay, let's see how to do that. So I'll just write arr2 because our array is already created. I'll just write FLATTEN, flatten. Let's say it's working or not. It's not working, saying AR2 is not declared anywhere, so I have to, has to be 2. Now you can see flatten and revel has the same function like this one. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Now let's say last we're going to see the transpose function. You might have heard of transpose before if you're a class of 11 and 12 students. So transpose is basically is interchanging rows and columns. So what I'll do, I'll give a heading first, so hash transpose. I'll give a transpose like this, and I'll just give a colon and then enter. You can see transpose. So in transpose, basically what happens, same array I can take arr2d dot transpose. So what it will do, basically it will convert row and columns. It will interchange. You can see the row and columns has been interchanged here. Previously it was what, 1 2 3 4, right, and 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 was the first row. It is converted to a column, and again this second row is converted again as a column. Like that, like this we can able to swap between the rows and columns. Okay, I hope you're understanding this 4 function: transpose, flatten, revel, reshape function. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.